everyone, long time no see. It's Zoey. Today, we're going to draw BTS's RM together. Shall we draw our cool and amazing rapper? Let's start with the eyes first. I think the eyes are where every expression truly begins. Personally, I really love RM's warm and kind eyes. Once the eyes are finished, let's shape the outline of his face. Got the face shape done? Great! Now let's add the eyebrows. Filling in the eyebrows always feels so satisfying, doesn't it? Next, let's draw a lovely, subtle smile on his lips. Keep following along with me. Now, shall we outline his hair? Great job! Add his ears too, and if you put a tiny earring on his ear, the face is officially complete. Now it's time to draw his body. We'll start with the upper body wearing a jacket. For RM's outfit, I used his iconic look from the DNA music video as a reference. We'll be drawing the outfit he wears in the very first scene. First, draw the collar of the jacket, and then outline his t-shirt. After drawing the shoulder line, let's move on to the pants. We'll come back to finish the hands after the pants are done. Let's draw the outline of the pants and add his white sneakers. Adding some subtle wrinkles to the pants will make the lower body look much more natural. Now, let me show you how to finish the hands. Let's draw his left hand tucked casually into his pocket, while his right hand hangs down naturally. What do you think, everyone? Our awesome RM is complete. Were you able to follow along well? Which BTS member should we draw next? If you enjoyed our time together today, please like and subscribe. I'll see you all next time. Bye!